Tired of unexpected charges and ready to take charge of your iPhone subscriptions? Let's jump right into canceling your Tinder subscription on your iPhone in just a few easy steps. First, locate the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. It's the one with the gear icon. Tap on it to open it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find iTunes and App Store. It might be under Privacy or Battery. Tap on iTunes and App Store. Now, at the very top of the screen, you'll see your Apple ID. Tap on your Apple ID. A small window will pop up. From the options in the pop-up, select View Apple ID. You might be prompted to enter your password or use Face ID to authenticate. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you see Subscriptions and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all your active and expired subscriptions. Find Tinder in the list and tap on it. On the Tinder subscription details page, scroll to the very bottom. You should see a button labeled Cancel Subscription. Tap on Cancel Subscription. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to cancel. Tap Confirm to finalize your cancellation. And that's it. Your Tinder subscription is now canceled. You'll still have access to Tinder features until the end of your current billing cycle. You're all set to manage your subscriptions like a pro.